what exactly is in this measure, and what happens if the House doesn't approve the measure?
I'm a bit surprised just because this measure, which actually requires U.S. firms to actually notify the government, the U.S. government, if it invests in certain countries such as China, countries of concern. And this measure had already been passed by the Senate, so we thought it was going to be a fait accompli. But it looks like the House Financial Services Chairman opposes this measure on philosophical grounds. In terms of who benefits, I mean, maybe I would say the winners are Wall Street and these PE and VC firms, right? They're the ones who oppose these broad investment restrictions that would prevent them from investing in some of these high-growth areas in China, such as tech. But also very controversial because you talk about chips, AI, and quantum computing as well. Mm-hmm. And then you have like these VC firms like Sequoia are already kind of like preparing for this eventuality. They already started like separating out their U.S. and China businesses into different entities as a prelude to the passing of this measure. So we're going to see what's going to happen next. So if you're not going to get this, what are we going to get instead? Probably a more narrowly tailored approach. We're talking about maybe targeting individual companies for sanctions.
Alan, let's ask ourselves the fundamental question. I mean, we've seen Blinken in China, we've seen Treasury Secretary in China, we've seen Xi Jinping here, slight faux pas by Biden at the end. But this is a demonstrable shift in the Biden administration in terms of their perspective. Is this a result of the soft power initiatives that we've seen?
You know, I would say yes, except the fact that, you know, the Biden administration already passed an executive order back in August that sort of is only going to regulate investments in, you know, PE investments in Chinese technology. So, you know, it would have been a much more aligned approach with Congress, a broader approach to targeting, you know, areas of concern. But instead, now it seems that the Biden administration is on its own, and what you can get instead is probably you know, a more narrowly tailored, softer approach to preventing U.S. companies from investing in high growth but also controversial areas of the Chinese economy.